boys have been desperate for Smashburgers. So I've managed to get my hands on the second-hand Plancha, and the plan today is to fit it in place of this soup maker cum water boiler, which honestly in the 6.5 years we've been at Chateau Nettinne we've never used. Time to get cleaning. Unfortunately, the sides of the plancha bow out a little bit, so we're just trying to rectify this. Oops, you all right?
Yeah. It's clumsy.
Well, maybe we just need to put it a bit lower down, not quite as high. We're testing for gas leaks using a simple spray bottle with fairy liquid and water. We found a gas leak. The regulator is cracked and we need to replace it. So we've fitted the new regulator and that's fine, but the plancha's still not working as it should. Are we ready for the test?
I'm not entirely sure what.
Okay, that's what it should do, yeah. If the gas fittings thingy inside of the plancha work, or if there's an issue, a blockage or some problem. So far so good. That's the right one, yeah? So now we need to test the left one?
No.
Why not?
That's not phase 2.
Oh, sorry, what's phase 2?
We connect that to the valve.
Right, okay. I'm rooting for this plancha. I really want it to work. Mind your eyebrows.
And that hits up the thermocouple there.
Yeah.
Which lets me turn the gas on the truck.
Okay. Okie dokie.
And make fire.
Oh, it's nice and warm. But let's just stay here. Okay, test number 2 was successful. So when the plancha was fully assembled inside and we tried to ignite it and see it working,
It was a very yellow sooty flame.
yeah, very yellow sooty flame. Well, it was yellow on one side and soot and smoke coming out the back of it. Hence the testing to make sure that it's set up correctly and that it works okay. Right, what's the next step? So we're not sure whether the problem is caused by the gap here. Now this one was fine, this was okay, but this one, the gap is bigger, meaning it's going to run slightly differently because presumably not as much gas is getting through or too much air is. So we think the gap is the same now.
Or is it?
So I can swap this for the other.
Yeah, try it and see.
And then we know we've rolled that on. Meant to do that.
Of course you did.
Must be the alignment.
Yeah. Okay. So we've changed the, what is that bit on the front that you've swapped? Oh, okay. Well, the bit that should be on the right side, we've swapped it, we've tested it on the right side and it's fine. So we've swapped it to the left side and the left side's still not okay. So we think the one on the left is not quite lined up. The nipple is too low.
Trouble is, I can just get a pair of vice grips to try and bend it.
Okay.
You know where they are, don't you?
Upstairs. Okay. I'll go and fetch them, shall I? We need to sort out the saggy nipple.
It's the same.
Yeah, just it's different.
So there is something wrong with this pen.
Yeah.
How far can you zoom?
Yeah, I can see. Yeah, that's good. That's the clean one, the good one. And yeah, that's the caked up bad one. Right. Oh, very good. Yep. Okay, so we're going to clean it out, dry again. So you've cleaned the nozzly, not a nozzle, is it? It's a, okay.
It's a Venturi.
A what?
Venturi.
A Venturi, okay. If you say so, then I'm sure it's correct. Ah, yes, you're a genius. So you didn't need whatever it was. Whatever you were on about earlier, hooking up or something to it.
A manometer.
Yeah. Yay! Ooh. So, we think we're done and we can just
reassemble it, yeah, that's
Just, yeah, it's a 5-second job, isn't it? Nipple. Yep, that's good. Well done.
He threw it away because of a little blocked pipe that probably could take this up. Well, threw it away, sold it to us.
Yeah, but it was
In
peanuts,
perfect working
really.
condition.
Yeah. Not everybody actually means in perfect working condition when they say that. Anyway, We did not pay a lot for it.